Let's go, princess. You ready?
Yeah, let's get it.
Dude, both Z's in the enclosed. Let's go. I don't even know where we are. TK, go get the YXZ and I'll get a roller. Are you going up the strip here?
Pull into the Montego.
Alright, we made it out to Knolls. TK's already unloading everything. Dude, did they move? Oh, she scooted over, didn't she?
Everywhere. Friends. Take a shit now. Oops.
Coming to try this one now? Dude, look at the Google Maps of this. It's like a star that leads to here.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
just kind of like a little sand area, nothing crazy. TK's running some laps down the whoop section. Kind of play with the whoops, trying to get this thing dialed in. That's sick. I'll have to like insert clip here. Yeah, Knolls, it's just kind of flat, wide open. There's a little bit of sand. I don't know what we're gonna do from now on though. Might go find some rocks. Hopefully this footage is turning out. I'm not wearing the helmet with like the microphone, so it's gonna be a little bit different footage. So good. Got the old hoodie string.
Good.
I like it.
Hook it in.
That's what happens when we start hitting whoops, huh? Start breaking stuff.
YXZs can't hit whoops.
Oh yeah. Knolls was a success. Found some whoops, found some sand, found out we want to put our paddles back on and go to the dunes, right, TK? Just load them up and ship them. Man, that leaded fuel make your tips look weird. Overall, I think the YXZ did pretty good. No problems. Yeah, TK's got to do his catch can. Other than that, I think both Z's are dialed, I'd say. What are you?
Anytime you turbo a YXZ and you keep the factory catch can, it's gonna spray oil all over. So figure out a catch can.
Yeah. I don't know. Hopefully it's working. Smells like oil. So that works. 32s, I approve.